Oh, how do we flatten the trades? Mic test? Is the mic actually working? Alright, I think it's working now. Okay. What is this chart? How can I get rid of this? Weird. All right. Back to the 1 minute chart. That looks pretty bullish. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Good morning, Rag Heck. Did you trade CPI? I did one single trade with CPI. I used Lucid, but it's really nothing too crazy. Lucid trade, yeah. Got into one trade. I mean, I think I made some $800. That's pretty much all I've done. But oh yeah, I did Top Step as well. Top Step. I did Top Step, and I've got 3 accounts across the board, looking not as bad so far. So, let's see. It is trying to move to the upside here. Yeah, what a tough kind of trade. What a nice, beautiful bounce off that CPI. A better than expected CPI report actually came out, so I'm doing okay this morning, guys. I'm doing fine. I'm just a little tired. I probably had a long week, so Did you guys trade CPI this morning? And how did it go? Let's take it slow. I've got quite a few accounts I've got to trade today, and I'm trying to get something going on the hold on one second. Wow, well, I'm kind of chasing this at this point, but it just keeps moving, guys. Just not giving me a chance to get into my trade, unfortunately. Really, really annoyed. Yeah, really annoyed that I'm not really getting a chance to kind of get into trades, man. Fortunately. Well, let's try to use I'm gonna use the 30 seconds chart. Actually, you know what? The light. 100 ticks. Let's try to use 100 ticks, guys. I'm gonna use 100 ticks. Let's try to use 100 ticks. I like it. But you know, I've got to have something here on the left hand side as well. Oh, no, 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 baby. Actually, you know what? What if I do enlarge? Well, it's not as bad, really. Well, no. I just did a left hand side, so this has to be 100 tick, and the right hand side will probably have to be like 15 minutes chart, right? To kind of gauge where this market's gonna go overall. From an overall perspective, this market. All right, so far it looks like it wants to get a bounce, right? It kind of looks like it wants to get a bounce. To be humbly honest, it wants to get a bounce. It is away 100 ticks are actually a little bit too difficult. I'm gonna have to move that to 30 seconds. Yeah, 30 seconds is better. Yeah, I'm on a 30 seconds chart. All right, 30 seconds chart. You can't trade CPI with take profit trader. Well, I mean, it's fine. You could have made, you could have lost as well, so. Junior, you're up $450, both accounts. Not happy because you couldn't trade take profit, but hey man, you made $450 on your across the other accounts that you have. So I think that's a pretty good deal. I got some plans right now to try and do trades with I do not want to pass the top step because I do not want to activate those right now. So I'm gonna try and get pretty close to passing, and then that's it. All right, it looks like yeah, the risk reward is not there right now to kind of get into a trade, unfortunately. So I'm like, you know what, might as well just wait. We're not even getting a breakout right here. It's a tough, you know, it's a tough level. We may break out. All right, looks pretty strong too. The market trying to rip, so we hit an all-time high, of course, today, right? Very obvious, 25,538. And then guess what? The Apple looking pretty good too, right? The Apple looking like it wants to keep going, so that kind of gives this overall market a pretty good stab here, I would say, to go long. So I don't know. Looking pretty good, I think, overall. Like from an Apple perspective, it's an Apple moving here right now, right? The Apple's moving 1.5%. Nvidia moving as well. Tesla's the only one, and that's kind of looking weak. I think the traders moving their attention to Apple and Nvidia, I guess, right? Netflix and Tesla obviously had not a great earning. So I guess they're trying to step away from these two monster, which obviously shined last month. Coinbase also looking pretty good. Everything's getting a bounce, guys. AMD looking really strong here. SoFi, the fintech as well. So let's see, guys. The overall market looking pretty good. I kind of like to the upside, but the risk reward is not there right now to kind of go long. That's the only problem, right? Help me, you have $1,500. Should I buy one Tradeify account and use your code, or buy 5 prop shop funded account for $1,500? What is a 5 prop shop funded account? Direct to funded account? Is that what you're saying? Is that direct to funded account? SL Kirkman, what up? Thank you guys for being here. Fresh new day, cash. All right. All right. Yeah, I wonder if this market's gonna give us a pullback that we're kind of looking for. It's like higher low at this point. Kind of feel like this market's gonna just keep ripping here to the upside. I would really like to take a stab here. Bro, I'd like to take a stab in this trade. All right, but I don't know. I'm most probably just better off trying to go long on a pullback here instead of trying to short this market. Yeah, we'll see. Jeez, guys. Hey, dude 45, what is up, man? Thank you guys for being here. Dan Ammons, what is up, man? Good morning. Well, I've got a 15 minutes chart on the right hand side, so I'm using 30 seconds, yeah. Micro scalper. Can we get anything better than micro scalper? All right. Guys, 542, man. I mean, the risk reward is not there for me to kind of get a stab in a trade. I don't know what to do, you know. It's like I'm kind of stuck here. Maybe I could look for some couple points pullback, but I don't know if that's really what's the point, you know what I mean? I'm not really looking for $100. Bare minimum I need like $400 or $500. I'm not trying to pass this combines, but all right, guys, we're getting a nice little pullback here. We're kind of getting a little ejection there of that pivot on a 15-minute chart. So good morning, everybody. Good morning. What a day. What a CPI. Inflation better than expected, of course, and that moves the market ripping to the upside. I don't know how many points that was, but that was incredible. Incredible monster. I only was able to trade one listed account, unfortunately. I was kind of late. I should have done a better job preparing for CPI, which obviously was going to be very important because this is kind of set a tone for the rest of the month, and of course November as well. So I don't think I've done a good job capitalizing on taking advantage of the CPI. I don't know if you guys did. Did you guys take advantage of the CPI today? I did not at all, man. I just got a little upset that I kind of missed the whole move. But hey, man, it's all right. Dark clouds, man. Blue 2. Let's have some fun this morning, guys. Let's chat about what's going on. Blue 2 and maxed out on 2 on take profit. Nice. Dan Ammons, don't trade the data release. Hey, yeah. So hey, listen, Dan. Yeah, I don't want to gamble, so I'm not trading CPI too. Yeah, depends. I mean, if you have an eval, then yeah, that's fine. It's all good. You could trade CPI on a news, but it's got to be the eval accounts, right? But yeah, I should have done a better job. Like, I wanted to get a few lucid accounts and a few Tradify accounts too, to try and trade the CPI, but I did not do that. Why? Do not ask me why. I have no idea, but I did not do that, unfortunately. Kind of got pissed. All right, so now we are back here. I don't know what. I think we are trying to curl back up again, right? I'm gonna try and long here right now.
Order filled.
I'm long. Let's see if we get a break out of this area now. Or maybe no. Hold on one second, guys. What am I doing right now? I'm on an MNQ. Jeez, guys. What the hell am I doing? I've got to get my stuff together, guys. I didn't even realize I'm in a micro. Well, I guess maybe we'll just stick to micro for now. Jeez, guys, what a shame. I'm gonna have to do a lot of adding.
Order filled.
Oh, it's funny. The micro trader, the #1 micro trader. You got 2 pros waiting. I've got 4 pros waiting. On Sunday, it's gonna get activated, guys. On Sunday. Wow. I got 4 pros and I got 1 pro right now, so that's gonna be 5 pros by Sunday. And I'm gonna have 3.
Order filled.
Well, so no, 4 accounts as a backup. So looking pretty good for November, right? Oh my God. Let's just go back to NQ. Yeah, let's go back to NQ. Sorry, man. It should have been a NQ trade. Unfortunately, it's not. Okay, so here we are again. 15 minutes chart, and we've got a 30 seconds chart on the left hand side. And I want to just quickly finish off this combine, man. I'm not trying to pass by any means, but okay. So here we are.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Let's try to scalp this bad boy. Right, let's try to scalp this bad boy, and I'm gonna have to look for something. What am I looking at? We'll look for 120 bucks, just in case. It looks pretty bullish, right? It looks pretty bullish. All right, you know what? I'm gonna try and long on a pullback here. First attempt pullback. I'm gonna try and go long and add to my position. Yeah, I'm just a little nervous about this market. Gonna be like pretty boring between now through the rest of the day, right? I wish we could get some volatility to step into this this market. So far, it kind of feels like, you know, we could be chopping the whole day, and that's gonna piss me off because I've got there's quite a few things I want to do, of course. So let's see. Who's into the shit, man? Can you let me know who you are? Jeez, I don't even know who you are. I think it's Justin, right? But Tiger in the AM, that's right, brother. GM, G Wood, Stock Tiger live in the morning, right now, right here. Let's try to bank. Let's try to trade. Let's make some dollars, guys. I don't want Canadian. I need USD. I need USD dollar, guys. We're losing value.
Order filled.
All right, so there we go, guys. We are getting a little pullback here.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I went long on that pullback, and then hold on. Probably end up adding. Probably get stopped out right in that 523 and look for it. Well, I kind of feel like, you know what, we could see a pullback here into the 520s. Oh, look at that pullback, guys. Okay. All right, so I'm just I've got to do better at this. 1 second, guys. I got to get better at this. All right, 1 minute chart. Sorry, let me just move this to 1 minute chart. Too much. 30 seconds is a little bit too much for Stock Tiger. Stock Tiger in the house. All right. All right, guys. I am gonna exit my trade at 500, of course. I don't, man.
Order filled.
Look at that, guys. Look at that now. Finally, we are moving this market, guys. Oh dear. Hold on 1 second, guys. I would exit this. Oh no, it's not looking that great right now. What is up with this?
Order
exit
filled.
that trade, guys. It's not looking that good, right? Damn it, guys. I'm down. Let's try to show
Order
this.
filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. Maybe you try to retest the VWAP. I think that's what it is. We'll look to target 495. Try to, you know, we'll exit this trade right up in that 530. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't
Order
Oh
filled.
my god, are we gonna actually get a bounce? Are we actually gonna get a bounce? It's gonna stop me out. 5:30. I'm long. My stop at 5:30, guys. You've got to be kidding now. You've got to be kidding. Do not be so bad. Oh, once again, let me just move that. Oh my god. Yeah, that's bouncy.
Order filled.
All right. I got fake there on that account. Let's see how much drawdown I've got. I got $600 drawdown. That's pretty nasty. Let's try to go again.
Order filled.
Stock Tiger got burnt right now in that trade. We'll give it a try again, guys. It looks bouncy. Yeah, it's pretty bullish. Yeah, overall pretty bullish day, but we're kind of like chopping this range too right now, so. Yeah, absolutely pissed on that last trade. Kind of faked me out on that one. which obviously this market likes to do, but I don't know if it's gonna be able to fake me out again. Let me just try to see if I can actually do this.
Order filled.
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna risk about $145 again right now. Let's see if we can actually get a little pullback here. We might stop to break even at this point. Hopefully I don't get stopped out on this bad boy. I think I will. Get the heck down there right now, baby. Bring it down, you silly Millie. Faking me out on a Friday morning. No! All right.
Order filled.
Oh my god. All right. That was break-even trade right there.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm gonna try and risk again. Well. Oh shit. Hold on 1 second. Risking $400. That's $470, $560. Give me that move, dirty move, man. God, this thing's annoying. Come on. Give it to me, hon. Oh, I don't really have a lot of drawdown either. I better really, I better downsize. Let's see if we can actually get a little pullback here down, guys. I don't have drawdown. I don't really have a drawdown, guys, man. This has to pull back here now. Stock Tiger is gonna be in trouble. Give me that to me, baby. Bring it down, you silly Millie. Just dump. Let's go. Come on. Oh my god. Oh shit, man. It doesn't look like it wants to do that. All right, guys. I'm gonna have to exit that trade. Fuck me. Yeah, I still have $400. I gotta find a way to kind of survive this battle. Yeah, I think we still push it down, but
order filled.
Let's see. I still like that idea better, but now it's putting back, you dirty. God damn it. Damn it, no! Piss me off. Oh my god.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna have to. I've got two now. I've got two. I'm looking for a pullback. You damn it! Give me a pullback into the 510 now. Do not bounce right now. This is not what I was looking for. This was not part of the plan. Give me that dirty pullback right now.
Order
all right,
filled.
guys, I did that trade. Oh my god! You've got to be kidding here, guys. Oh! Can this get any more annoying? Now, if I try to go long, it's gonna dump. All right. Well, I kind of like it to the downside, to be honest, man. I know. I'm trying to look for a nice risk reward here play, but it's definitely a bit annoying. Let's try to limit order here right at the pivot and see if we can actually find a little bit of a pullback. I'm looking for a target back down into the 500s, guys. Damn, man, we are getting that pullback now. All right, let's see. I think we are trying to build more liquidity to try to give us a little bit of a flush down. What is up, Monica in the house, man? Monica, Captain Price, just in right in the house. Alfred Haywood, what up, Alfred? How are you guys doing? Dude 45, silly mealy. Long should work now. Damn it, man. What the heck am I doing right now? Getting smoked by New York. Nobody can smoke me. Damn it, guys. We're getting a pullback now. Oh, well. I knew, man. I knew it. I just didn't have enough drawdown, so it's kind of like... That dump actually picked me up, man. That dump we had there freaking picked me out so bad. I'm so freaking pissed. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna be a lot more aggressive today. Yeah, you guys are gonna see me do a lot of executions on my trades. Damn it, guys, man, this is incredible. I don't know if that's a rejection, guys, man. It looks pretty strong, right? You have a nice, beautiful bounce off that EMA, off the VWAP as well across the board. Guys, what do you plan to do on the weekend? Anybody? Let's think about the weekend, right? Let's think about the weekend and let's try to, you know, if you guys want to have a good weekend, you guys know what to do, right? Managing risk, right? Not blowing any funded accounts will be the ultimate goal here today. Think about the great weekend that you guys want to get into. You'll be working on the weekend. Oh, because you got a restaurant, right? Hey, man, let me know where you're... Oh, yeah, you're in the States. I thought you were in Canada. I can't go to States. It's too expensive, man. Holy, man. I've got to, like, literally pay double. Pretty much double, right? Well, not double. I mean, anything's going to be, like, $30 here. It's, like, 60 bucks there now. Actually, that's because I lied. 50 bucks, right? So, anything that's going to cost me $30, for example, like, it's going to cost me, like, 45 in States. It's incredible, man. It's so freaking expensive. Like, I've on the weekends I travel to US a lot, and it's yeah. And I was like, you know, I'm never ever gonna go again. Too expensive now. Too expensive. You know, you keep, like, you make an order, you go to the McDonald's. Actually, no, forget about McDonald's. The Starbucks coffee, I think it cost me, was it $8? Why is it so expensive, guys? $8 for, oh my God, guys, what is up with this market right now?
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh,
Order
shit.
filled.
Ah, that was a mistake. Don't even have a lot of drawdown.
Order filled.
Yeah, this account could go. Hold on 1 second. I don't know what the heck I'm doing right now, guys. No idea. No idea.
Order filled.
Man, there's a lot of fakes. I can tell you that much. Let's look for a pullback here down. Oh no, I don't want to pass this account right now. I don't want to pass right now. That's all really I need. Let's just bring it down to just $100. $100. That's all really I need. I'm gonna try and go long.
Order filled.
Where's that account? So sad, man. That account, I should have got it. So pissed me off. But anyways, guys, we'll move on. We'll move on. There's nothing much I can do right now. How much drawdown do I have on this bad boy? I've got 250. Yeah, I can still survive that one. All right, so this one,
Order
I
filled.
just 185.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, there we go. I just need a little more.
Order filled.
Yeah, Apple looking pretty good too. So it's risky. It's risky. We may just get a blowout, like, you know, a nice beautiful break to the upside too here. But I don't know. We're retesting this zone. I think we're kind of grabbing more liquidity in that 500 area to kind of push it up again. We may eventually try to break out of this area, but we're kind of slow right now. We're not even the power hour, so we still have like a couple more hours to go to kind of like. What is going on here, guys? Let me just exit in this one. Down. Okay, we'll exit. I'll flatten
Order
this.
filled.
We'll go with this. Oh, where's the other one? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna be risking $300 to make about $200 in this bad boy. We are breaking out. We are breaking out. Let's see if it holds. If we can't hold, then I think we flush it down. Back into the VWAP retest. Loser, what up, man? Does Elite Trader have funding consistency? They do. Yeah, I wouldn't suggest trading Elite Trader right now. You got a lot of great firms to trade. I should actually take Elite Trader off my affiliate. I don't like either side right now. Yeah, it's kind of choppy. I would honestly just prefer to just chop, but then playing the chop sometimes, you know, kind of works. Right, so we are at that 582 right now. I'm really looking for just $100, maybe 150 bucks. That's really all I need. I'm not trying to pass this either, so I still think Take Profit Trader is still the best, and then I mean, if you're okay to get denied, then Apex is still good, I think. All right, so here we go, guys. We are getting that little pullback here down. Oh my god. What a chop fest, guys. This chop fest is real. Real. Absolutely insane. Just when I go live stream, this is what happens to this market. Just not do anything for now. Incredible. All right, so yeah, I'm just gonna. Oh shoot, guys, we are getting a bounce. Let's see. Oh man, look at that.
Order filled.
Oh my god, what the heck is going on here? I just keep getting chopped.
Order filled.
Yeah, look at that stupid chop there. Chop me out. Knock me out and now pulling back here, guys. Incredible. All right, guys, let's see. Placing my stop now. Looks pretty well, man. Let me just try to take some profits right now, if I can. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Break even there. Yo, yeah, I'm definitely going after, guys. I'm definitely aggressive today because I've got some plans. God, man, this market. Oh my.
Order filled.
Gotta be flipping. Piss me off. Stop doing that, market. Stop doing that. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to put a tighter limit order to kind of get filled because it's constantly getting chopped me out. So, fuck me. Look at that. And there's another one. Oh my god, I can't believe that. Anyways, guys. What happened to Patrick? What do you mean? What happened to Patrick? Is he okay? Is he alive? Is everything all right? Boy Pablo in the house. What is up, man? Guys, thank you everybody for being here today, this morning. Woodstock Tiger. Losing, banking, crying. Oh, you silly. You gotta be kidding, guys. Is this, are you real? Are you real, you piece of boo-boo? Come on, like freaking just dumb. Man, it's about time to do that. Holy, man, guys. You gotta be kidding. Woo! My god. Incredible. Freaking annoying. Like, just dump now. I think it's about time you do that. You know you want to get it down. The suspended Patrick stream, really? How does that work? Let's go take a look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that even be possible? The #1 day trader on YouTube getting suspended. Wow, amazing. No one's immortal, I guess. Guys, man, fuck, you gotta be kidding, guys, man. Come on. I think it's about time to just give us a pullback here. I think so. I think so. What do you guys think? Jeez, man, I'm getting tired of this market. Let's freaking go, man. Once and for all. Holy, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade. God damn it. Oh, it's fun. Fun morning. All right, guys, I got filled there. I wondered that if I try to go long, this is gonna pull back, obviously, down back into, I don't know, 500. I think this is ultimately where it's trying to get to. Still higher low, right? We are still intact. The bullishness in this market is still intact there. So, right, we got a nice, beautiful trend line. It's kind of respecting that. It respected that earlier at 430. We got a beautiful bounce for 100 points, right? Like that's about an hour ago. And now we're kind of respecting that. We're getting pretty close to that view up. It's not a coincidence. We got a view up, we got a trend line, Tory straight trend line there. I didn't copy it, that's me. I'm a trend line trader too myself, right? And then you have, yeah, let's see if we can actually end up holding this now. Good, I took my profits off the table right there, guys, man. Holy mochino. But I've been definitely in trouble. Yeah, I kind of missed that too now. Oh my god.
Order filled.
I'm trying to go. Well, I think it's not a good
Order
idea. I'll
filled.
exit that trade. I'll exit that trade for now. That's me. I'm blind pink. All right, guys. It looks like it wants to move up, I think. Let's try to go long here, guys. I think this market wants to move. It's telling me it wants to go higher. Higher to the blue sky. To the moon. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold on one second, guys. Maybe on a pullback, I try to go long. Policy violation. Oh my god. What policy violation, man? He's not done anything wrong. He's not done anything wrong, guys. What happened there? Please help. Somebody help. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. Like, what could it be? What kind of violation could it be? Oh my god. I can't believe that. Incredible. Incredible. Incredible, man. We are not being able to get out of this freaking pivot here, guys. What is going on here in this market, guys? Are we going to break out or what? Boop. I think we pull back down, I think, before we try to get a bounce. Hello, good morning. Hello? Calling from Bell, what is up, man? Yeah, what is up? Tell me. Hello? Hello? Oh my god. Get the hell out of here. So what was the reason? He wasn't even in a trade at the time. So surprising. It was a background music. Oh really? It's a background music. Oh okay, well that's fine. The background music can be fixed. Not a problem. Not a problem at all. We are getting a breakout, guys. I'm so pissed. I knew it wants to go up. I knew it. Oh yeah, I'm definitely struggling to find a spot here to go long or to go short. I'm definitely losing entries, right? How many accounts? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1 to 3 accounts on review. On funding ticks. Back to funded account. Jeez, man. Good stuff. Good stuff. Nice. I like that. All right. Man, why am I struggling to get something out of this combines, man? I don't have time. I've got to move on to something else, man. Come on, let's go. All right, looks pretty good, I think, but we're just kind of struggling to get above this 538, right? I mean, you guys see this 538. It's pretty. Let's try to short this. Let's
Order filled.
Oh shit.
Order filled.
That trade.
Order filled.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of risk for me. Let's try to have my hard stop here at 540. Yeah, look at that, guys. I knew it. I kind of felt that we're gonna hold this 520. Let's see. Let's see, get a rejection here now again. Yeah, you can pass Billion's account in 1 day. Yeah, absolutely, sir. All right, I'm gonna try and add one more and place my hard stop here in that a 540, and yeah, let's see what happens now. I don't really have a lot of wow, it's got a very tight stop here. Maybe I might as well just move a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, to $500, I guess, right? $500, risking $500 on this trade. Man, I can't believe I'm just really kind of struggling to get something out of this trades, man. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens now. This market. Let's see if we get a little pullback here, rejection off that level, and just flush it down. Yeah, I'm not even looking for a flush, man. I'm just looking for a quick scalp here, really, at this point. I know I'm kind of taking a lot of risk to do that, right? Because if this market is truly choppy, it could just stop me out as well. Because easily 20 points is like nothing, right? Compared to what the market's doing overall. Look at this, we are getting a bounce, man. Yeah, I put a very tight stop, just risking $500 to make maybe about $500 as well, but so far we are kind of holding. Let's see. 530 now, 530. So it looks like it wants to hold, but again, we've been choppy the whole day. I mean, not the whole day after that big pump, of course, that we got. But look at this. This is what I was talking about, right? So let's see if we can actually get a little.
Filled.
Oh, there we go, guys. There we go. Place my stop right in that. Sorry. Risky about 170 bucks. Yeah, okay, I think that's good. Let's see if we get a pullback down to the 520s, guys. Flush it down. Loser, what up, man? Loser. Did you see the Discord? No, I haven't taken a look at the Discord. You can pass Lucid in 1 day. Yes, they have a pass in 1 day. Absolutely. How was my day? My day was fine. It wasn't bad at all. It's just that I did not really get a chance to trade a lot, and I kind of missed the whole move as well. I did a bunch of trades pre-market, and then I kind of stopped, and then I came back to trade. So a lot of in and outs, you know. when I feel uncomfortable in this market, I kind of like go, okay, well, I'd rather prefer to micro scalp and just go in and out, in and out, in and out, and that's it. If I kind of feel like, I've got a lot of cushion on, and there's really not much I want to do today, then I'll try to get into a trade and I swing that right through the rest of the day. So it really depends, right? I'm shorting right now. I'm not biased to short and I'm not biased to long right now. I'm kind of neutral, and I'm trying to short the high and long the pullback, right? And the reason I'm doing that is because I kind of feel like this market is gonna chop. So just because it's chop, are you not gonna trade? I have to trade because I've got quite a few accounts I want to get through today, and that's why I'm trying to use this channel range to trade the market, right? But I'm not saying I'm shorting because I'm bearish. It's just a channel range. We're in that channel range, right? So we're just trying to take advantage of this channel that we're in right now, and trying to long on a pullback and trying to short on a bounce, right? Because if this channel range is all it's gonna do today, then I think you're most probably better off trade the channel, and that's why it is. I'm not saying we're bearish in this market. We are definitely overall bullish, okay? Overall pretty bullish so far until we break. Some things break, but so far we haven't broken anything right now. We had a chance to break it right in the morning at 4:30, right? This is the level that we kind of went, okay, well, we have a chance here. We had a chance here, but if you just think about it from a grand scheme of things, and that's really 50% retrace, right? I think that's really important to understand, that you had a huge pump to the upside right from here low, and we went all the way into the 525, and then 50% of that is right here, 50%. And when I say 50%, that's 50% retracement. Fibonacci is right in that line there, and it's not a coincidence that we actually kissed this 431, and we got a beautiful bounce off that level. So the market is respecting those levels, and when it respected, then guess what? The market's still very bullish, right? The reaction at those levels are critical, and we are getting a bounce. I'm gonna have to exit this trade right here, guys.
Order filled.
Oh my god, this chop is real. I don't know, man. This is pretty annoying. I'm looking for some move. I'm just not getting anything, guys, man. It almost kind of feels like now we are trying to move to the upside. I think the accumulation and consolidation may be done. Let's take a look at Apple here for a second. But Apple is looking okay. I think Apple is trying to move to the upside, and Nvidia as well trying to move. And let's take a look at the VIX here for a second. VIX is down. It's creeping down, guys. $16 right now. So I don't think VIX is gonna make things any different. I think DXY pulling back here as well. So GLD is actually trying to get a bounce, surprisingly, back into 380. GLD, not bad, right? So what a massive monster move, man. GLD, incredible. All right, so anyways, I think GLD non-event so far. SPY up 678, QQQ up. Yeah, I think overall still very bullish, right? This market is definitely very bullish. Yeah, I think you loser. I don't want to call you loser, right? So maybe it's time to get that name changed, or maybe modified to lose him or Lucy, whatever. Much better than loser, but it's fine. It's up to you. It's at your discretion. All right. I'm really looking for some move. Just not getting any of that right now. Let's try to short this. Let's see if we can actually pull back here a little bit. I don't know. Try to see.
Order filled.
Let's see. Oh my god. This Fucking annoying. Very annoying price action so far, guys. There I am. I'm gonna have my hard stop here, risking $500 on this account. I can't believe, man, it's been just so tough to trade this goddamn market, guy. It's yeah, I mean, trying to make something when it's non-existent, you know what I mean? Sometimes it's difficult. So I guess that's where I'm at right now. The market's not giving you anything, and yet you're trying to come up with something extraordinary. You may end up getting into a little bit. That's why I'm putting a hard stop here, just in case, right? Because I don't want to get chewed by this market, because I'm playing with the fire essentially right now, right? Because in that range, it could just rip. So we are trying to bounce, guys. We are trying to rip here.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna trail my stop to the high at 542. If I get stopped out, that's fine. I'll walk away. But I don't wanna give up, give anything more than that. Right? Anything more than that, I don't know. We'll just leave it at this for now. Yeah, it doesn't look like he wants to pull back here at all, to be honest. But you know. Or maybe I should just try to hold it. Yeah, I kind of feel like it's gonna retest the high here any moment, so. I think once it moves, it's gonna move really fast, right? I think that's what the problem is. And I guess maybe trying to go long on a pullback, probably a better idea. Once this trade is over, I'm gonna try and long on a pullback instead of trying to short the pop. I think the risk reward and the probability is probably better off. Because every pullback, you're getting a quick bounce, right? That's the problem. It's hard to gauge the pullbacks, right? It's easier to kind of long on a pullback. So if you make a mistake, you know eventually the market's gonna bounce. You know what I mean? But if you try to short this, the risk, not just the risk reward, but the tolerance to being able to exit your trade, it's gonna get harder and harder, because this market's not gonna give you a chance to get out, because it's gonna rip your face off, right? So, you know, something like that. So maybe I made a little mistake trying to short this market instead of trying to long on a pullback. Probably a better idea to do that. It's kind of a little late now. I'm down. Nothing really too crazy, but I mean, still down. So I'm going to try and long the pullbacks here, this market. Once this trade is over, I may have to exit this trade as well right now, if this is how it's going to be. But we'll see, guys. I'm just looking for a quick pullback here if I can. If not, then I'll just exit this trade and try to go long on a pullback. Let's see. We kind of got a little bit, just a small little rejection of that 542. I don't think that's anything significant by any means. But yeah, it's looking wonky for now. Yeah, I think I'm almost kind of better off try to long on a pullback and try to add to position. Probably easier that way, because the market obviously would want to go up, and that's what it's doing the whole morning, right? Even though you get a pullback, those are all viable pullbacks, right? So that's my mistake. God, this freaking thing is just annoying. Yeah, I think it's gonna go. Yeah, I'm
Order
gonna exit that
filled.
trade. Oh my God, dear Lord, where's my coffee? I can't believe this, guys. This market just not giving you a chance to get in. Not a good time, yes. Yeah, it's not a good time to trade, but I'm just trading. I'm trading. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Look at this wicks. I mean, if you just take a look from the VIX standpoint as well, it's like a lot of wicks to the downside, right? On our way down. You don't have a lot of wicks, you know, to the upside as well. So, and above EMA, higher low. Every time you get a pullback, it's a quick bounce. Oh, fuck me, man. Incredible market, guys. Like, fucking give me a chance to get into my trades, man. Holy cow. All right, so we're right at the high. So I mean, it's the risk reward is not there for me to kind of try and go long right here right now. All right, I probably maybe better off try to short on a bounce and quickly scalp back down. Haven, what is up, man? Nathan, just enter on the pullback. Yes, sir. Still long? I'm not. Maybe after lunch. Maybe, Corey. Corey, congrats, man, for your payouts, man. Awesome. I like that. Look at the 1 hour candle. It's way too bullish to short. Yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of micro scalping right now, as you guys can see. I'm not looking for you know, a trade holding couple hours. I'm not doing that today. But at the same time, I am also managing my risk as well. So I just kind of gave back all the gain I had. But market's moving just 2 to 3 points per candle. This is not a good sign to take trades. Yeah, it's not a good sign, but look at this. We are, oh my God. You've got to be kidding, guys.
Order filled.
What was that? Holy, did you see that, guys?
Order filled. Order filled.
Alfred. That was a good one. I like that. What was that, man? Holy shit. Have you seen that? Incredible. Again, I'm in a 1 minute chart too. Oh my god, this freaking thing is annoying as hell. Oh, what an amazing day to trade. I guess you're gonna have to be a little patient with this market, guys, I guess.
Order filled.
We'll see how this market responds now. Maybe I can get all the gains back, I guess. I should place my stuff here, maybe? I don't know. God, I pressed the wrong button too. Fuck, now we're getting a pullback. Oh my god, you fucking silly. Oh my god!
Order filled.
Whatever, I'm not gonna have a hard stop. See what happens now. If we flush it down, that's fine, but what a bad wick there, guys. A bearish wick. If this doesn't hold, then I think we're in trouble, of course. I've got 3 contracts. It's actually quite a lot, right? So I've only got $2,000 drawdown. So if we get a flush down all the way into the 500s, then I think this is gonna get doomed. I'm gonna get pissed, of course. I wasted like an hour and a half just to freaking trade this, and just kept getting smoked. And maybe it's time I shine. Let's see if this long actually kind of work out now, guys. You're sitting at 540 here. We are getting a little pullback here as well at the same time. Stock Tiger, I'm just gonna leave it as is for now. Oh my god, incredible. Like, this freaking price action has been so freaking annoying so far. Stock Tiger getting absolutely annoyed. Let's see if we get something out of this right now, guys. Oh, maybe it looks, man, that wick though, that's a big fat rejection of that to 550. It's an all-time new high, right? It looks like it wants to dump. Holy. May get a little bounce before we do that though. I don't know. It looks pretty weak. I don't know what to do. It's kind of stuck in that range now again. Let's see if we get a little bounce back up again before we get a pullback. Back into the 550s. Oh. Very annoying price action, right, guys? Very annoying. This almost kind of feels like Asia. I'm getting a bit of a mental breakdown. I did not trade the CPI. I could not do that. And once I missed, it's like this market is just doing nothing, right? Incredible. Maybe I should have shorted on that top there. I don't know, we'll see.
Order filled.
All right, we'll see, guys. Now we got to pull back here. We're in trouble. We got an EMA support here at 530 as well, so this could be a little ejection here. I hope it doesn't squeeze me down. Overall, Apple's still looking pretty good. Tesla and Netflix is the only one that's kind of down, but exit my trade? No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna hold it. But it's kind of annoying, man. Man, this whole day, the whole day was kind of annoying. We'll see. We'll see if we can actually get something out of this right here. Let's see what kind of a spike we get here. So what kind of spike we get here. Let's see if I kind of survive this battle. Or 540 here. 540. We get a dumpage, I don't know. Maybe. So far, holding the EMA. But yeah, very annoying price action, to be honest. I mean, technically, yeah, I shouldn't be trading because it's so choppy, but man, that's a bearish wick too, right at the top here. Kind of make me wanna cry for you. Right at the high here, man. Right in the middle, we're here, so we'll see. Between these two, we got 50% retrace here. Let's see if we can actually break out of this pivot here, right as well. Let's see if we can actually get out of this zone. If we can, I think we have a chance. If not, then I think Stock Tiger is gonna be in trouble. But you know, we had a top here. That's the all-time high again. We created that all-time high. We kind of got shaken out of here as well. I keep getting shaken out today. During the stream, so we're not holding at all. We are just barely holding. So yeah, let's see if we retest 540. Yeah, we're having a hard time trying to break out of this 540, by the way. It's weird how it's like the most difficult thing to do now. All of a sudden, it's like the most difficult thing to do to get out of the 540, guys. Incredible. Man, if this we can get above this 540 now, I'm capito. It's gonna be like goodbye. Forget, never come back again, ever again. Never come back ever again, Stock Tiger. You don't deserve to trade at all. Damn it, 540, man. How hard can it be, man? We just can't get above this 540. It pissed me off. Oh well. There's nothing much I can do at this point other than just watch and start crying. Holy man, it looks like it's like, oh, it looks like it wants to just flush it down, right? But then guess what, guys? right at the time when it looks like it wants to flush down, guess, oh, we may get a nice beautiful bounce too. Not giving up my hopes. Not giving up just yet, everybody. Stay tuned, hang tight, fasten your seatbelts, guys. It's about time. It's about that time of the day. The market wants to do something now. Looks like we are getting a little bit of a elevation move. A rejection again at 542, guys. Holy mochaccino. Incredible. Get the hell up there! Oh my god, let's go, man. God, tired of this. Holy. Yeah, my butt's on fire for sure now. Absolutely. And it's sweating too. Ooh, baby. It's sweating like crazy. Oh yeah, this is Eval. This is Combine, brother. Combine. I ain't like I should have by now probably got a heart attack if I was funded account. Holy mochaccino. Don't tell me you're gonna get a rejection here. Do not tell me. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know. Oh, get the hell, man. Get the hell out of here, man. Oh yeah, just get lost, man. Not trading this shit anymore. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Fuck this market. All right, guys, I'm back. Oh well, I had to be back, you know. I had to be back. Oh my god. Fuck me, man. Oh god, I hate this market sometimes. Just one of those days, man. We've been trying to short this market whole day. I mean, not whole day, in the last couple hours, and we are getting that sort of a pullback. That's the kind of a pullback I was looking for, obviously, but then jeez, man. We're getting a pullback now. It's a nasty pullback. This is exactly the kind of a pullback I was freaking looking for all morning, while I missed the whole entire CPI move as well. Yeah, now we're gonna dump. Fuck. Yeah, that's great, Stock Tiger. You're such a loser.
Order filled.
Stock Tiger is a loser. I gotta change the name. Where's that gentleman who had a nickname called Loser? Did you change that? Did you change your name? And you know, I can have that if you want. I can have that. Where's the guy called Loser? I can have that. Let's do a little exchange. You can take my if you want. You can take my Stock Tiger, and I'll have you Loser. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. All right, so let's have some fun, guys. Yeah, I mean, let's try to get some bounce here, guys. Let's try to see if we can actually get a little bit of a bounce back up again. It looks pretty weak, but maybe we have a chance. But you know that 540 though looks like a brick wall. We're having a really hard time to try to break out of this 540. We may kind of chop here in this range, but 540 seems like a really difficult level to kind of break out of, right? So I'm kind of like at the wrong spot here. Let's see. Overall, just keep in mind this market is still very bullish, right? We got Apple, you know, Apple bashing the market, breaking out, and VIX pulling back, and the other stocks like Tesla and Netflix is kind of holding too, even though they had a bad earnings and a bad guidance too. But just keep in mind, guys, the earnings, it's a season for earnings, of course, but it's only 5%, 5 to 10% of the earnings that just came out. So we still have another 80% of earnings that's still yet to report. And on top of that, we had Intel yesterday, which had a pretty strong guidance, right? That kind of wiped out all the negativity that we had from Netflix and Tesla. You know what I mean? You guys know what I mean? Maybe? Okay, now we're getting a bounce back into 542, guys. Maybe we have a little bit of a chance. Is this going to save Stock Tiger or no? Come on, let's do it, baby. Give it to me now. I'm gonna take one more off table, guys. Holy mochino. And that's unreal. Oh my god. Stock Tiger. What does that mean? SL4 Ekman, you do job really good. Oh, I'm really trying to understand. I may have to ask ChatGPT to translate that into Korean. What you do job really good. Hey man, something's broken there. In that translation. Yeah, I do good job. Okay. But it's fine. I'll still love you. I still love you even if it's broken. That's fine. All right. So is this market gonna give me a chance, or is like, you know what? Is this market kind of going, okay, well, you had one chance. I gave you another chance to get out, and you still did not get out. Time for punishment. You drop good Korea ramen noodle. All right, guys, man. I'm getting really confused with this translation. So, if your first language is not Korean, it's not English, let me know. All right. This NQ no-go bounce. Wow. NQ go short, no bounce. Incredible. All right, guys. Hey, man, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Only 42 likes, man. What the hell, man, guys? Come on. Oh my god, guys, look at that dumpage, man. Look at that dumpage. We are pulling back here. Fuck me. Oh my god, that 542 was kind of like a ceiling there. Incredible, guys. We are pulling back here. Yeah. Fuck. I hate this market sometimes. Very annoying. Look at that pullback. What a nasty pullback. Oh my god, Stock Tiger. All right. And I got 4 contracts. That's a lot. All right, we'll add one more. All right. I'm back to that 540 right now, so. Man, I've got to move on to something else, man. Come on, market. Give me a chance to do that. All right. Jeez. Gotta be kidding. 490 is the target. I don't know. Oh man, that's way off. 490. This account's not gonna survive if it's 490. I'm gonna have to say goodbye. Yeah, I definitely need to bounce back up again. At least back into the 540. Honestly, I'm just gonna exit my trade if you get a bounce back. All I'm gonna be asking is 540, guys. That's all I'm asking. Let's see, I'm on 5 contracts, so now if this thing flushed down, then it's gone, man. Fuck me, I can't believe that. Stock Tiger. Wow, I can't believe this couple points move. It's like moving like $1,000. Jeez, guys, this account's gonna blow now. $900. Oh my god, guys, what a mess. Yeah, I definitely maybe I should have been a little patient, I guess. I don't know. Not a good with the combines here. I can't believe what I'm just. Who knows? I may get a little chance of trying to get out, but not good, man. Not so far. I'm not liking what I'm doing right now with this combines. Well, I started off really well with this combines, but then it's like everything's just getting capito. So we'll see. Very annoying, but hey, man, just one of those things, right? I'm definitely not being patient, of course, because I'm trying to micro scalp in this trade, but then I keep getting stuck in this range bound. Oh, this is combine. This is combine, guys. Do they offer a discount on promo code? Yeah, Billanox 150. Yeah, you don't want to get to 150k Billanox account. It's garbage. So Billanox is just 50k, 50k or 25k. That's it. Yeah, no, I wouldn't be doing this. I wouldn't be doing the way I'm doing right now if it's the funded account. Of course not. I'm doing this because it's an eval account, and I want to get this thing going. I'm kind of down a lot now, so let's see, guys, if we hold this 520 or not. We're gonna find out pretty soon, man. We've been spending like an hour and a half now, just really not doing anything other than just giving back the profits that I made. $300k Billanox account? I don't know, man. I don't know if there's anybody that I know past 300k. Is there a good reason to kind of even pass 300k? Because it's really expensive too, right, on that account.
Order filled.
All right, I went long one mini contract on the other account that was that I have a pretty good profit on it. I might as well just take my profit off. Oh, that's, yeah, already profit taken, so that's good. Oh, where's that account? Damn it! There you go. Oh shit! Am I back up again? Oh no! Come on, just give me a chance to get up, please. Come on, don't do that to me. Not right now. I didn't know I was in profit, man. Help me out, please. Come on, let's go. All right, just give me. Oh my god. No, come on, please. Ah! Back to the 540. Let's go, baby. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding. No.
Order filled.
Oh, there you go. I think I've
Order
got this.
filled.
I think I got it covered. Oh, I think I've got something
Order
out of
filled.
this. Oh my god, I can't believe this, guys. I'm back to one now. All right, I think I'm gonna hold this, guys. Hold this last piece. God damn it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Order filled.
Oh my god, you little market almost gave me a heart attack. Hey man, guys, there's two things I want to achieve today. I want to trade a lot of accounts, number one, but also I want to have a lot of fun here, right? It's last day of the trading week, guys. Let's have some fun, right? Let's enjoy the day. Let's trade a lot, right? Trade a lot. Whether it's good or bad, just trade a lot and just freaking bank it, you know, and let's just have some fun. Right? Let's have some fun here. Friday night, guys. Not Friday night, Friday morning. Onwards 40. Yeah, onwards 40, you can have, I think, one account. I think one account. All right, let's see if we get a little bit of an extension here. Back up again. Hold it, guys. I'm going to hold this. Hold it, damn it, Stock Tiger. Let's go, baby. You. All right. All right. All right. This is Stock Tiger. I've been holding my loser, right? So let me just try to hold on to my long winner too, for as long as I can. Or maybe not. Maybe that's not a good idea. It's 543, guys. This is a big fat level. We just can't get above this every time we try to pass this level, right? Oh man, maybe I should exit my trade. Wow, look at this, guys. We are getting a pullback here. I think we hold this, guys. Wow, but what a bounce off that freaking 522. We are really seriously respecting this trend line, guys. So until we break this, this market is truly bullish, guys. Look at this. Respected this 2 levels. A huge, big, fat level, guys. All right, so I don't know, man. This market seems like it still wants to keep moving. Let's take a look at Tesla here. Apple. Still looking pretty good, guys, man. There's no signs of anything that's... we're seeing no cracks right now. No crack, no hun. You know, no pullback here, not feeling the gap to the downside. It still wants to keep moving. Tesla still kind of holding. Netflix down only 1%. So what is it that's really going to move the market to the downside? Financials. Yeah, financials okay. They're, I don't know, man. Gold, GLD kind of pulling back, which is good for this overall market too, of course. And yeah, that's... Microsoft looking good, Amazon, Google, Meta, all looking to the upside, guys. I don't really see anything that's really seeing any signs of crack here in this overall market, right? So, I mean, wow, look at this. Holy mochaccino, guys. Look at that, guys. Holy. All right, guys, I'm going to trail my stop here right now. Let's see if we can actually keep going here. Oh, my God. I can't believe that. What a struggle, man. I got to go check out my blood pressure now. All right, guys, I'm gonna take my final take profit here at 555. I don't think I want to hold this anymore, to be honest. Well, let's leave it at that. Hottest part today is to hold your long trailer to the new all-time high. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, absolutely. But again, we are gonna have to expect some sort of a pullback, right? No, maybe, yes, I don't know. Yeah, all-time new high again, guys. We had an all-time high here at 563, and that's where the all-time high was, right? Are we going to actually see something better? 562, and we got a big, nasty pullback all the way down to the 520. That wasn't, like, too bad at all, to be honest, but, I mean, wow, look at this guy. It kept moving. Oh, my God, mochaccino, guys. Oh, my. Isn't that something there? All right, guys, we are moving. We are trying to break out, guys. I might as well just pass this bad boy right now. 500. Wow, incredible, guys. Incredible juice. I guess I'm gonna I don't know what to do. I think we move higher, to be honest, but I think we move higher, to be honest, guys, man. I want to add one more. I want to add one more here,
Order
guys.
filled.
I added one more. I'm gonna add one more here as well, though. I'm gonna add one more here, guys.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I added 3. So now I'm gonna be looking for a bounce back up. Try to take my profits off the table along the way. But let's see, guys. Now I've added 2. So I've got 3 contracts in this combine. Now my first take profit is gonna be 560, 557, and then the next thing is gonna be 560, guys. And then we'll hold one more as a runner. Okay, I'm gonna place my stop at the break even as well right now. This could be a good trade, guys.
Order
All right, guys.
filled.
One down, one down, one down. 2 more to go. Let's see. The next take profit 560. 560 here, guys. Next take profit 560. Let's see if we get it, guys.
Order filled.
Looks like we got it, guys. We got it. So one final piece here. I just need $300. So let's see. $300. We'll do it there, guys. You know, we'll do it there. I'm gonna try and reload. Just in case we get a pullback here, guys, I'm gonna reload. Okay. One more reload down here. And if not, then we'll leave it there. All right, guys. 1 minute. I'm just gonna go grab my coffee. I'm gonna go grab my coffee there, guys. I'll be right back.
Order filled.
Are you seriously kidding me? I'm down again?
Order filled.
That's fine. Oh my god, guys, this market is just not okay today. No love. All right, guys, I may have to. Oh man, I don't even know what to do now. No, I still like it to the upside.
Order filled.
I still like it to the upside, guys. I'm looking for a bounce back up again. If we get a pullback here, then I'm probably going to add to my position on our way down. Are you pissed at the market? Oh yeah, absolutely, man. I'm pissed at the market. But you know what? Nothing much I can do, right? The market's gonna do what it wants to do, and I'm just gonna have to play the market. Monica, are you trading any accounts now? Are you trading any accounts? Is this you? Never, never goodbye. Is you? Never, never goodbye. All right, guys, we are getting a little bounce. Oh, get the hell out of here, Jake 2 Huster. That wasn't me seeing, that was somebody else. My neighbor. All right, guys, we are getting a little bounce back into in this market, guys. I may try to add to my position now.
Order filled.
All right, guys, that's me. I'm gonna place my hard stop here down in that 542, and take my profit. My first take profit down in that 554. Let's see if we can actually get a bounce back up again. Hung Nguyen. Guys, man, you know, it really surprises me that we got so many Nguyens. Every time I forget about Nguyens, it's like we have Nguyens come back and back again and again. Incredible. So many Nguyens. I thought that's a Vietnamese name, but anyways, thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you, Nguyen, Hong Nguyen, for using my code as well. Thank you so much, brother. You are the number one. You are the number one day trader. Corey, Zen25, Dan Ammons, man, what up? People make a tilt mistake by trading too large in small range, which seems like a good idea because it seems like you won't give against. Yeah, that sounds like me, man. You know, that sounds like me. I've got to watch out for that. Yeah, I agree. I think Dan Ammons is trying to be nice to Stock Tiger, but I think he meant to say that to me because I've been oversizing on that trade. So that's me. And I tend to like oversizing on a very tight range too, which is not good because once it gets against you, then you're kind of like, ooh, goodbye. Jake Huster, man. Yeah, I wasn't singing. That was my neighbor. You haven't seen me actually sing, right? Watch me. I'll let you know. Let me just try to peel my profit or first day profit. Okay, down to 1 now. Nguyen means Vietnamese. Oh yeah, but you know there's so many Nguyens, you have no idea, man. So many. Like every time I go stream, I see at least 3 or 4 Nguyens all the time. Incredible. Hey guys, this is Stock Tiger Nguyen in the house. Yeah, I oversize. You know, I'm not good at well, not good. I mean, I've got to downsize. Yes, I have to, man. I agree. I've been pretty bad with sizing. you know. Neutral now. Need the market to do something now. Zen 25. Oh yeah, the market's gonna do something. I think it's gonna move upside to the long, to the moon. Blue sky, clear. All right, guys, it's kind of choppy. I may have to end my trading with Combine for now. To be honest, I don't want to be trading Combine because I'm not getting anywhere with this Combines, guys. It's like I get $500 and I give back $400. And I end up losing $600 and gain back $400. Net profit, pretty much nothing so far. In fact, I've actually given back some profits on these accounts. Incredible, Stock Tiger. But you know what? This is a market. It's really choppy right now. It's really not doing anything right now. So it's really hard to even profit. I mean, you're lucky if you actually end up profiting because you got to find a perfect entry in and out to get something out of this market with one contract, right? So it's really hard to trade today. You know, we're gonna have to accept it because there's no range. It's very tight, and the market's got to give you. You know, we can't force the market to give us what we want. I've been trying to force, but that was a joke, right? But we gotta let the market give it to us, and the market really truly is not giving us anything so far. So it's kind of difficult to trade. So I may have to leave this Combine for now as is and move on to something else because I don't like getting stuck in a lot of trades with one firm, you know, kind of like I prefer to rotate with different firms, kind of gives me that little bit of a refreshment, you know what I mean? Right, so I'm just going to exit this trade right here. Well, it's kind of down a little bit, but I mean, nothing really too significant. This is going to be my last trade, Top Step, Combine for now, and then we'll move to something else. We'll probably move to Lucid accounts. Let me see the Lucid account. What are we looking at right here? I have a new account with Lucid. Maybe I'll end up trading that. $16 there, so yeah. So we'll quickly try to trade this bad boy here. I'm down only about 20 bucks. God, man, I want to finish this thing off. Move to something else. It should be sound like Nguyen, the Nguyen. Oh, really? It's not Nguyen, it's Nguyen. Nwin. 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 Oh dear. Nwin. Hey, 1G, man, what is up, man? Tiger, I'm joining in the daytime. Nice. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much for being here with us, with me, with everybody. Tiger, it's pronounced Nguyen. Nguyen. I prefer Nguyen better. Nguyen. Is it okay if I pronounce it Nguyen? Well, maybe not. Yeah. Okay, fine. I'll fix it. All right. I'll fix it. It's Nguyen. Oh well. Okay, guys. All right, man. I'm sorry. All right, Nguyen. There you go. You got what you need. Nguyen. No more Nguyen. 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 All right, so I passed the Nguyen pronounce. Oh well, no, I passed the Nguyen pronunciation. Now I've got to pass the Combine, right? Which obviously counts the most. The most important thing, guys. I'm gonna exit this freaking trade, man. Just move on to something else. God damn it! Just give me a break-even entry so I can move on to something else. I gotta go to Lucid. I've got to go to a lot of other stuff. I haven't traded my Apex as well, so. Hey, what is that loser? I'm not saying he's a loser, but there was a guy named nickname Loser. Did he actually end up changing his nickname to something else? Nguyen is a popular last name in Vietnam, just like Kim. Well, hey man, Kim is not popular in Korea. Kim is not popular. We got a lot more popular surname in Korea other than Kim. I'm just kidding. because I'm not kidding myself. So I'm like, you know what? Let's have some fun. All right, guys. Friday morning. It's approaching 1 o'clock in the morning. 1 o'clock in the afternoon now. And so far, the market, obviously, it's still very slow. It's not really giving us any sort of a meaningful move. There's no volatility at all. But I think what this market's going to really do is maybe you may chop, and then really give us that surprise move in this market. And that's going to come as a surprise for all of us. All right, guys, I'm going to have to exit this trade right here if I can. 553. All right, guys, there we go. I mean, you know what? So I don't have to trade this account anymore. I'm just going to lock it in. Oh, well, whatever, right? Actually, you know what? Not this account. All right, so so I don't have to trade this account anymore. Let's just go back to... this is my Funded Futures Network. I don't even know what the hell, man. Funded Futures Network. I've got... I'm down on this freaking account. It's weird. All right. I have no idea what I'm doing, but with this account, this is a funding, not funding ticks. This is Funded Futures Network account. That this is an eval, and I've got a. I guess I got a funded account here with me. So I've got one funded account with Funded Futures Network. I've got to show some love to Funded Futures Network, to be honest, man. I've been putting Funded Futures Network to back burner, so maybe it's time to show some love. I don't know, you know. I think next week it's gonna look a lot better because I'll be back to 5 pro account next week, early next week. That's on Monday, because I got four pro accounts, 3 pro accounts, 3 pro accounts will be activated on Sunday. So I'm gonna be back with 5 pro, and I'll be back with 5 funding ticks master account as well. So man, what a struggle, but somehow found a way to push it back up again. So looking pretty good right now. Obviously, I'm gonna have some XFA as well. I know a lot of people are actually talking about Top Step and, like, you know, is it really worth it? Me personally, if you just take a look from a what do you call this, cost standpoint, it's not worth it, right? I think it's a little pricey, at least from my perspective. But I think it's really important to always have like Top Step, whether if it's gonna be 1 account, 2 account, doesn't really matter. But at least to have a couple accounts, Top Step, it's always, I think for me, it's really important that I have Top Step somewhere in my portfolio, even if it's 1 or 2 funded account, doesn't matter. But to always have 1 or 2, I think it's good. It doesn't hurt you in any way. I mean, you're only paying, you know, a couple bucks more extra to get to the funded account, anyways. I don't know. What do you guys think? Backbone, you damn it! Come on, guys. Tiger likes Onyx. Oh my god, I hate Onyx, man. This is one. Oh my god, look at it. I hate Onyx. I'm gonna have to agree. I hate Onyx, man. I hate Onyx. I don't even know what the hell this platform is. I don't want to know. I don't want to learn how to trade on this platform, to be honest. But oh my god, 1 second, guys. We are trying to break out of this now. All right, 1 second. Is Funded Futures Network worth it? Did it let you take payouts, whatever? Hey man, Corey, honestly, I'm not fully what do you call this? I'm experimenting Funded Futures Network, put it that way, right? Oh my god, look at that dump, guys. Holy mochaccino. Buy limit. Let's see if I can actually take my prop here. All right, let's see if we get a breakout or we get a pull back down into the 535. Could be the retest of the 535, maybe, right? We had a nice, beautiful respecting here. We have here. Maybe we pull back here. Try to bring it down and try before we get a bounce, right? Maybe I could be back on this account. I just got triggered one account. One limit order. got failed. Now let's see if we can actually pull back here into the 540s. I like it to pull back into 540s, guys. It would be really nice if we do that. I haven't traded the funded account just yet. Min Max Infinity, what is up, man? Forget Kim, there we go. It's all about the min. I like that. Yeah, the Funded Futures Network gives you two account. The little catch that you have to make sure you are aware that I wasn't aware is that when you get your free eval account, that consistency has to be 20%. Oh, 20% or 30%, I'm not sure. Right? Hold on. Let me just check. I think it's 25%. So your consistency has to be 25% on your what do you call this bonus eval that you get. Okay, so that's got a different consistency rule. So that's the only difference, right? So I had to make like $4,000 on my second eval because I didn't realize that, and I ended up making a lot more than I was supposed to on a single day. But it's pretty good though. 1+1, it's a BOGO deal, right? When you use the best code, of course. And what is that gonna be? You guys know. All right. You don't think the market will move more? It's like chop. Well, you know, I'm okay to have a little chop here, to be honest. I wouldn't mind a chop between here and between here. Right? I wouldn't mind this market going something like that, right? I wouldn't mind. I mean, if that's almost a guarantee, I would love to see that throughout the rest of the day, so I can try to short the bounce and long the pullback. It's 40% on your actual eval, the one that you paid, and then it's I think 30% on your second eval. That's the free eval that you get, right? All right, so here we are, guys. We're getting a little pullback here. I like to see this thing retest 540, 535. No, it's not saying 4040, bro. It's not. I checked it. That I know for sure. Oh, really? That's weird. Maybe because I bought the express one, but that's what they told me. You have to, the free eval that you get with the paid eval, they tell me to go buy the express one, not the standard one. So the express one that I buy has a different consistency rule, or or am I getting disadvantaged just because I'm stock tiger? I don't know. Yeah, the express one is 25%, and that's what you get on your free eval, unless there's something that I don't know. You have the standard one. How the hell you get that, brother? How? Like, if you just take a look at my evals, they're telling me to. They told me to get the express one with the free BOGO. Yeah, see, they told me to go get express plan, not the standard plan, right? Yeah, express. Yeah, like, yeah, they I had to get to the express one, and that's what they've been telling me. I don't know. Well, if you got lucky and you went double dip on the standard, damn it! No, really? Oh my god, I got scared. You damn it! What? Everybody getting a standard plan with the BOGO? Are you serious? Am I the only guy getting express one? No, you gotta be kidding, guys. I'm pissed. I am pissed. So that's why it pissed me off, because when I get a standard plan, I ended up getting a free eval on your express one. I'm like, you know what? How does that even work? Because that's got a different consistency rule. So it's really not 1 + 1. It's something else. Oh my god, I can't believe that. All right, so there we go. So I was kind of confused because we had quite a few traders on our Discord talking. Never had that Express account. I was the only one with that Express account. I'm like, you know, what the hell's going on here? Am I doing something wrong? But that's what they've been telling me, to buy the Express one. They've actually told me specifically it's the Express account that I should be getting on my bonus BOGO. It's weird. Do you think this guy had anybody on payout? I've been thinking of these guys. Have anyone got payout from them and now the firm is in general? In this Discord, people are getting payouts. On 3i, what are you talking about? I thought I had a problem with my English, but you know, I kind of feel like my English is really good. Oh baby. Sometimes I have no idea what some people are talking about, guys. I need a translator. Translator! Alright guys. This market's still very choppy. And I'm trying to bank on a very choppy session. So you still have to trade for 7 days, but the consistency is 40%. That makes no sense. I don't know if that's accurate, Corey. Can Dude 45, can you explain that? I think you only have to trade like 3 or 4 days. And then if you hit your consistency rule and if you hit the profit target, I think you can tell them to activate it for you. It's web based. That's right. But honestly, I wouldn't, like, if I had to pick the top 4, I would not trade Funded Futures Network for now. I got better firms to trade. Yeah, are we gonna get a pullback here or get a bounce, man? The market will have to now decide what it wants to do, man. Holy cappuccino. Oh, let me just make sure and see if the money's taken out of my let's see if they've taken the money out, guys. 1 second, I want to refresh my funding ticks. No, they have not taken the money out just yet. No, they're not taking the money out just yet. Damn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, there we go. Oh man, what a struggle. All right, so I'll stay there. Where's Onyx? There we go. Onyx pulling back here now, guys. Got payoff coming from Bueller Auction anyways next Wednesday. Nice, Corey, man, good stuff, man. Corey is the best. Corey's been banking so hard. Just gotta take it slow, Romel. I completely agree. Yeah, it's a pretty good deal. It's just that I wish they had a better platform that I can use to trade. Yeah, so I wouldn't be. Yeah, I mean, $75. I mean, you can't ask for anything more than right. $75. You're kind of paying for 2 accounts. It's like $35-40, right? So it's a pretty good. Yeah, I agree. I'm not gonna lie. All right, guys. So here, I'm gonna try and long this. Let's see if I can long this bad boy right up here. I kind of feel like, you know, we pull back down into the retest 520. That's the EMA. So we'll leave it that. I'm gonna try and limit order on my Lucid account while I'm gonna try and conclude my trade with my Onyx. Oh, what was that, guys? What was that? Hold on 1 second. I don't know what happened there, to be honest. I don't know what happened there, guys. I exited my trade by mistake, I think. So let's try to maybe quickly scalp this bad boy. Right up this level now, 541. Or maybe not, I don't know. 75. FFN and Ninja Trader. Yeah, I mean Edge Pro. Ugh. I'll probably end up trading Quantower. I think that's what it's gonna be. I'm gonna have to talk to them, ask them to move me to Quantower. To trade the Quantower, I think that's what it's gonna be. Let's try to oh man, look at that, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna try and what do you call this? Oh! Alright guys, I think I'm back to green now. Or maybe not. I still have 90 bucks I've got to take. No, let me try to exit this. I mean, we never really got anything there, so. Maybe I'll add one more here. One more here, guys. Let's see if we can top this. Let's see if we can actually get to 550. Yeah, I think I'm back to green now in this account. Let's just take one profit off the table. Yeah, I'm back to green overall on this account as well, so that's good. And I'm gonna try and add to my position here as well right now. Let's look. You know, I kind of like this. 4 contracts, guys. 4 contracts right here, right now. 4 contracts. Let's try to see. All right, there we go, guys. One more. Hit it. All right, there we go, guys. All right, final take profit down in that 560, and that's it. We'll move on to something else after hit triggers. All right, right at the pivot, so I think it's a pretty good idea to kind of exit my trade in that level. All right, guys, it hit, made $200 there. Or once again, I've got to trade this bad boy as well. Yeah, that's my free account. And here, this is the one. This is the funded account, but this I will trade this not now. We'll leave it to another day because the market is really choppy. Probably end up trading this a little bit later, or I don't know. Let's move to something else, guys. Yeah, we are trying to break out, guys. We are trying to break out. Let's take a look, guys. You're getting a little bit of a wedge here, right? This wedge is usually, I would say, bullish. If we can actually start getting some nice volume step in here, I think we have a chance of a nice, beautiful breakout of this area now, right? Yeah, a beautiful respect. Like, it's respected all these levels, guys. It's respected this. We respected this. Respected this. We respected this. So we are respecting all these levels. Now the question is, can we actually get out of this 561, which is the all-time high, right? So that's the question. But I'm gonna move to something else now because I want to be trading I'm kind of still leaning more to the upside. Okay, so not a bad market. And they still have not taken my money out. So my daily payout with Take Profit Trader, they have not taken the money out, so I can't trade my pro account today. And that's $600 I requested yesterday. Usually they would approve at midnight, but they have not done that. And I still have 4 pro accounts. Sorry, 3 pro accounts that I'm gonna be activating them. By Sunday night, Monday morning. So that's good. That's a really good news. So I'm gonna be back to 5 pro accounts at the start of next week, which is great, very important. And funding ticks as well. I'm gonna be with 4. Sorry, I'm gonna be with 5. So 5 funded accounts with funding ticks too, and then I've got some evals in the works, which I think I've got what I need. So Apex, yeah, I've got to trade the Apex accounts. I haven't done that. All right, so Romel Ibrahim passed the 1 free eval. Nice. They remove you the free 1 account. I mean, you have 30 days. Someone told me that. Take Profit Trader is in trouble with their payouts. They're in trouble with their payouts, really? What does that mean? Not sure what's going on with their payouts. A lot of people have not received their payouts. Really? I think they're just delayed because they've got a lot of I don't know if that's yeah, I mean, I don't think that's accurate, to be honest, but all right, guys, so I'm gonna have to now trade
Order filled.
Order filled.
all right, guys, I'm gonna trade my Apex for now. Let's give it a take.
Order
Let's
submitted.
try to see if I can
Order
actually get something out of this now.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
AWS has nothing to do with Take Profit Trade because they're not trading off Project X, right? They've got Tradavates, so it doesn't affect them. All right, so I'm trading my Apex account. I traded.
Order filled.
I
Order
traded.
filled.
What is it called again? I traded funding ticks. I traded Take Profit Traders. So all I really have to do is trade Apex account and Lucid. I want to pass this Lucid account, man. It's so bad. It's not even funny anymore. All right, so let's try to finish off trading Apex for now.
Order submitted.
Really, Apex? Sorry, AWS probably affected their backend office. Oh, maybe you're right. Yeah.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
All right, guys, I'm trading Apex accounts.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
My day's going all right so far. Not gonna complain. Right? Not gonna complain. I think my day was just fine. I mean, it could always be better, but on a perfect world. But I did not lose anything so far, so I'm okay. I mean, today was supposed to be a good day, to be honest.
Order
I did
canceled.
not do as well. CPI, I kind of missed the whole CPI move, to be honest. And then I ended up trading after the fact the CPI is over, and I kind of showed it at the pop at the CPI, and that's when I made quite a few trades with combines, and that's where I actually ended up making some money. But overall, I kind of feel like, I missed an opportunity, which is, it's one of those things, right? I'm not gonna activate any combines. I'm not gonna activate. I I will not trade the combines. Sorry, I'm not gonna activate any of my combines until maybe November 1st, when I have my new budget. I don't have a budget to I've allocated all my budget, right? So I don't want to just activate just because I've got a combine I can activate. I'll leave it to November. It's like what? It's like 6 days from here, so not the end of the world. And part of the reason is because I've got a lot of other accounts to trade as well, so it's not really, there's really no point in me trying to activate that account just because I can. Activate one for FOMC next week. Yeah, man, FOMC is gonna be huge. Are we gonna actually hit all-time new high again next week? Incredible, man. This market is just insane. I don't know, man. This market is so insane. All right, guys. I don't know. I think we try to bounce back up again. All right, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys. We are getting a bounce.
Order canceled.
Wow, we are hitting that again, guys. 540, 550. We've seen that plenty of times over and over again, but
order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order failed. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys. I'm long here on my Apex account. I'm really looking for just $100, to be honest, on this account if I can. So let's see if we get a last piece off the table now on a bounce here.
Order failed.
I'll back down to 4 contracts. Final take profit here at 550, and that's it. We'll move to the next account.
Order failed. Order submitted.
Come on, let's go, man. Oh my god. That's insane pullback there.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna add some more.
Order failed. Order failed. Order submitted.
I've added some more. I've added some more. We'll take the profit off the table along the way as we get a bounce if we do. Let's try to take some off the table sooner.
Order failed.
Oh yeah, we may get a little pullback here before we get a bounce.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order failed. Order failed.
It's kind of risky at this point.
Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order failed. Order failed. Order failed.
Oh, there you go. There we go.
Order failed. Order failed. Order failed. Order failed. Order failed.
Oh, fuck me. All right.
Order failed. Order failed.
All right, guys. Different account.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Filled.
All right, we are approaching 2 p.m. Eastern time, guys. It's that time of the day. This market's gotta have to decide what it wants to do. Oh, baby. Yeah, are we gonna break out? Like 569 is obviously the initial high.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Looks like it wants to move. Looks like it really wants to move now. Uh-oh.
Order
filled.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, I'll fix the sound. I'll fix the sound next
Order.
week, guys.
Order
filled.
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 Order submitted.
I can't
Order
fix
submitted.
anything right now, unfortunately.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled. Order
Order
filled.
filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Sorry, guys, man. I am so sorry. Market, make up your mind. Just getting tired of you now. I'm trying to fix this ninja, but it's just not, this is not working. This is not live right now on this chart. So there's that little bit of a problem.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
I think we pull back before we get a bounce. That's the way It almost looks like we're kind of like overstretched here to the upside. And we're not getting that sort of a meaningful bounce that I thought we would get by now. We're kind of stalled at this range, right? We're having a little bit of a hard time though. The range is getting tighter and tighter, and the volume's kind of breaking down as well. So I don't know. Let's take a look at the Apple here for a second. SPY, Dow, QQQ, not really doing anything right now. I guess they're trying to digest the move that we had this early in the morning. Apple not doing anything right now so far. It just kind of stalled there. Let's just go back to the 1 minute chart. But I mean, it's a higher low, higher low. So maybe we give a little bit of a shake up here, right? So the Apple could be kind of like, okay, well, we may shake out the bulls, pull back here, or then get a bounce and rip your face off, kind of bounce back up again towards the end of the day. I'm not in a camp of a total breakdown, right? I'm not in that camp. I prefer this. I prefer. Oh man, what the hell, man? Maybe get a little bit of a pullback down, but that's gonna be like a buyable opportunity. But I mean, yeah. But we have a major level too on Apple, for example. We've got this big level that's gonna be 262. We are right now at 263, and we're trying to get a bounce off the level. So, yeah, pretty interesting looking chart here. Apple and Nvidia, kind of the same thing. Tesla pulling back more and more. Tesla is breaking down. Microsoft holding, Amazon higher low holding, Google looking even better right now. Google probably looking the best, right? Coinbase getting a bounce, Arc holding so far. Datadog is kind of pulling back here. The small caps are kind of mixed bag, but overall pretty good day, I think. VIX pulling back, for the pullback on the VIX. GLD pulling back as well. So where am I at again? All right. So, where am I at? Oh, here. All right. So here I am. I think we get a pullback before we get a bounce. But with that in mind, let's say 520s, maybe 520s. So where's 520 here? We are all the way down here. 520s, guys. So 520 would be all the way down here. So, because I'll fix this down next week. I'm sorry, man. Do not get mad at me. Do not get mad at me, guys. I will fix it next week. We got another one, which would be right up here as well. So, all right. So here we are. We are trying to get a bounce, but I don't know if this bounce gonna go hold. I think we could see ourselves pull back here. Oh my God, these drawings are nuts. Okay, so there we are, and we've got a high here as well too at the top, and that's all the way down here. So that's a 570. So, all right, so there we are. Let's see what this market does for now. We may end up just chopping to be honest, but I kind of I prefer a pullback than before we get a bounce. You trade gold too? I do, but I don't. I try my level best to not trade gold, but I don't trade gold. I do sometimes, but I mean, I'm trying not to. Put it that way. All right, guys, we are getting a little bit of a bounce
Order
back up here.
filled.
Wow, look at this.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Connection lost.
Is TradeView allowed in Korea? I think so. I'm pretty sure everything is allowed in Korea. All right, so I'm looking for $50 trade. Maybe again the same idea. Maybe I'm probably better off trying to go long instead of trying to short the pop. Maybe we'll see. Maybe in the next round. So let me just try to see if we get a little pullback here and then try to go long.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
There we
submitted.
go.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Wow, look at that, guys. Holy, incredible. Yeah, it's still, guys, if you just think about it, we're still higher low right now. It's higher low. So I'm gonna have to risk off here, because if you just think about it, we held beautifully
Order
at 540.
filled.
Look at that, guys. Look at that bounce right here. We're hitting that all-time high again, 569. We could see this thing rip your face off, kind of a bounce. Gotta be really careful. Stuck tiger. Just gotta be careful now, guys. I'm gonna have to exit this trade.
Order
Let's try to see if we
submitted.
can get a little pullback down.
Order
And then I'm gonna have to
submitted.
exit this trade, guys. I definitely don't feel
Order
comfortable. Oh, man,
filled.
look at that. Just passed 2 more listed account on that drop in. Oh my god, really? UN gold? How do I lower that sound, guys? I wonder how to do that. I'm gonna try and let me just take a look and see. Dude. All right, guys. While we wait for this market to do its thing, I'm gonna check. Adjust the sound. No. Turn off or adjust the sound with the Ninja. If the sound is coming and you want a quarter with the Ninja, go to Control Center. Go to Control Center. How the hell do you go to Control Center? Tools, Options, Tools, Options. Oh, here you go. Tools. Sound. There we go. You can find settings to disable specific sound, turn off if you have no sound, option 3. More space. Oh, I see. Maybe I can do it right here. Volume mixer. So let's give it a try again, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Does it sound better now?
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
I think it's still louder.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, I think it's better now.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
No, I need the sound because I need to know myself if I'm in the trade or not, right? That's my another. I think this sounds definitely better, but I think everybody just ran away because of my sound. Thank you so much, everybody, for running away.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
No, I'm
filled.
not spamming though. I'm trading. I'm actually trying to get into good trades. You know what I mean? There's a lot of orders. Yeah, it's getting filled, but I need the sound. You know, but I made it really low, so I don't think you guys can hear me now. Oh man, I'm not in a position anymore. Are you kidding me? Can you guys hear me well though? Like my sound, me talking? Can you guys hear me? Just want to make sure you guys can hear me. Just want to make sure, guys. All right, guys, back to trading now. Back to trading, guys. I kind of missed a trade. I think it's trying to. I'm gonna try and short this on a pop into the 560 here, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Loud and clear. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you so mucho. Gracias, everybody. Oh man, it's gonna go without me. Damn it. Stop, Tiger. What is inside bar? Inside bar. Let's go. There's no such thing as outside bar, just inside bar only. Inside a bar, inside a bar. All right, guys, let's try to bang some. Oh my god, I can't believe this, guys. It's gonna go without me now. We knew it, guys. We were gonna throw this. Anyways.
Order canceled.
All right, guys. Let's look for a mid-sized bar. Damn it. This could be a mid-sized bar here. I still prefer to short this, but it's kind of risky. Yeah, it is kind of risky. We kind of respected that. We kind of respected that, right? It's very obvious, right? So I just want to be careful on this. I may try to short this.
Order submit. Order.
Order filled.
I still
Order
like
submitted.
I still like
Order
shorting
submitted.
this.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I think now it sounds a lot better. I think it's good. Me personally, on a short-term basis, I kind of feel like we got an inverted head and shoulders kind of playing out. Sorry, bearish head and shoulders kind of playing out. A very short-term basis, so maybe a bounce back into 560 and then maybe a pull back into the 540, right? So that's literally about 20-30 points, maybe a risk reward. And the stop could be somewhere in that 566 area, right before obviously the high, right? I kind of like that trade. Let's see if that actually works out, okay? So I'm going to look for a little bounce back into the 560. And then I'm going to try and look to short. I'll look to grab that whole piece, move down into 540. Oh my God, it's going to go without me now. Damn it. I think this market hurt me. How's everybody doing today, guys? Are you guys all doing okay? Are you guys all doing okay, guys? Fellow traders, I hope all of you are having a great week. And we are now pretty close to closing the month. And of course, I hope all of you are banking. Let me know how you guys doing, guys, if you guys don't mind. It's weird. So Take Profit Trader just approved my my payout, so that's good. It's weird that they did it a little late, so I don't think this money is here anymore. Let me just double check and make sure the money isn't there anymore, guys. Oh, there you go, guys. They've taken the money out, so I have a chance to trade for another daily payout, guys, on my Take Profit Trader. I'm not gonna do it right now, not right now. But I am gonna have to take a stab at this trade. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. We'll think about it, guys. We'll think about it. Okay. If we get some nice opportunity kind of play out for us, then I'm gonna step in with the pro account and try to go daily payout. Okay. Today, this is a 3-day in a row, and now, man. Oh well. I'll take it off. I'll take it off. So yeah, so they have transferred the money into my bank account. So back into the wallet. So I have that money in my pocket now. So now I'm free to trade my pro account. I'm just not sure if I have to trade for a daily payout today. I'm just not sure because I think this market is very difficult in a sense to trade the funded account. It's too much of a risk at the moment, right? It's so it's not even volatile. It's like a slow grind, up, down, chop, chop, chop. And then you get this flush. A lot of surprises, right now. A lot of fakes and a lot of surprises. So we've got to be careful, right? It's the last trading day of the week. I don't want to end up blowing my funded account. This is really not the time to do that. I don't want to do that. And I don't want to get into that. And that's why you see me trading the micro. Take Profit Trader took the whole weekend to approve mine last week. Oh my God, really? I'm sorry to hear that, Premier. I don't know why. So I've got the money in my wallet now, so I'm gonna transfer that. Really? How did you get 2 free resets? Can I have one myself? Are we gonna get a bounce or what now, guys? If we can hold this, then I think guys, we talked about this, man. This trade idea actually ended up working out. It's just that this market did not give you a chance to get a bounce, right? That's what it is. I think we have some more pullback to do here, guys. Now I think we pull back. Hold on one second, guys. Let's just wait for Can I well, like, what was the purpose though? Get a free eval. I mean, get a reset. How did you get the free reset? Can I have one myself, dude? I can have one if you want. I can have one free reset. All right. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you gotta work on. All right, guys. I'm gonna move to.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Yeah, they moved the whole bunch of my take profit trader accounts that I passed.
Order filled.
Order filled.
They took it off the dashboard now, so I just want to build some more backups. I've got 4 now, 4 past evals that's not here anymore. So all right. So I requested a payout approval so I can have that money in my pocket too. Fun stuff. Fun times.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, so let's see how it goes. All right, guys, I'm long. As you guys can see, I'm long right now. So while this, oh my God. What did I do?
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, one got filled, looking pretty good. Not too shabby. Ooh. That's a nice little bounce you're getting right now. In the last 30 days, I blew 8. Sorry, not 8. I blew 7 in the last, I think, 30 to 40 days. All right. Well, it's not as bad. The price action, not as bad. Yeah. I mean, it could be better, but we could still trade. It's tradable price action. I think not as great, but it's okay. I'll take it. My next take profit will be at 555. I don't know. I may just take this off. Because I don't know if this is tradable. I want to move on to something else right now.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh, that's a pretty nasty pullback here. Don't think that was a good idea.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
So we have to hold this 550. I kind of thought we held, but we're getting a little bit of a hesitant. So see, this is going to be a very important level. We break out of this right now. If we don't, then I think we are in a little bit of a trouble. Yeah, at least I'd like to see this thing get a bounce back into the 550s, 555 maybe in that area before we get a pullback here. Like, I would love to see this thing get a bounce right now. Come on, just give that to me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take one off the table if I can. Jeez, man, really having a hard time trying to get a little bounce back up again. You gotta be kidding me, guys. This is insane. Incredible. Oh my god. Damn it. I knew it. Let's get a little bounce, man. Let's go. Come on. Pump it up. Pump it up. Gold is moving. Let's go, man. Give it to me. Oh my god. I'm gonna exit
Order
that trade.
failed.
I don't wanna cook myself. I'll be
Order
happy with
failed.
that
Order
trade. Let's try to. I'm gonna try and trade micro on this with 2 micro, and we'll try to step into a trade.
Order submitted.
All right, so I'm looking for a target back into the
Order.
Order
560. So I'm gonna try and load in contracts to average down all the way into the 540s, and then go from there and try to see if I can actually get this thing back into the green territory. Yeah, definitely not been an easy day. Absolutely, yeah. But I've been okay. Like, you know, I did not really have any crazy damage on any of my accounts, right? It kind of survived. Wow, look at that bounce, man. Incredible. All right, I'm gonna start to load in. Like I said,
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
yeah, today was fine. I think I had a decent day, right?
Order
Nothing
submitted.
really too crazy,
Order
but
submitted. Order
at the
submitted.
same time, I'm not gonna
Order
try and
submitted.
chase, try to rush into building my accounts, right? I had a pretty bad last 10 days, so I think it's very important I try to build the confidence, right? I got to build the confidence, number one. Yeah, I've got to build the confidence and then try to go a little slow on my accounts and then build the buffer from there, right? Take it slow. Let's get all the accounts, you know, set up. A lot of manipulation, yes, I think so. You need to pull port, Austin. I don't know if you want to pull port. Always grinding. What is up, man? Corey the Scalper. How are you guys doing? How are you guys making out? Are you guys banking right now? Let me know if you guys are having a bad day, if you guys are having a good day. Monica, are you trading? Are you trading any accounts?
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh, there we go, guys. We are getting that pullback. That does not surprise me at all right now to get this kind of a pullback that I was talking about. We keep getting rejection of that 550, guys. That's the level that I struggled earlier trading on my top stack combines, right? Oh, you have one combine? And you trading that? Did you, how are you making out? Did you pass? All right, so we are getting a small little
Order
pullback
filled.
here. I don't know if this pullback is going to continue. Obviously, like a flush kind of thing.
Order filled.
Order filled.
But I did expect.
Order
Wow,
filled.
look at that, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh my god.
Order canceled.
Oh my god. My orders are getting filled like it never
Order
ends.
canceled.
Wow.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
It looks
Order
like we could continue
submitted.
pulling back or what
Order
now?
submitted.
You made $1,500 yesterday. You were on a loss and recovered it back. Oh, nice, man. Now you're $200 up. Yeah, I think that's good. Wow, look at this, guys. We are getting a bounce after that nasty pullback, which is fine. I'm going to take you guys. If we can actually get a nice little pop here, it would be nice. It would be nice if we do that.
Order
just take this
canceled.
off.
Order canceled. Order
Okay.
canceled.
That was a nice little entries. My average cost down into the 545, and now I'm gonna be looking to see the market bounce back up again. I wonder if I have to step in with my pro account though. Right now, it's kind of a little late, I would say. But a bit, oh man, I kind of feel like I'm a little late. Let's try.
Order submitted.
Actually, no, exit my trade. Exit.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I don't want to trade my. I don't want to trade the pro account. I'll be honest. I might as well just hold it, you know, because anyways, even if I get paid, that's not gonna get approved until what again? Until Monday morning, right? So I might as well just not do anything. I'm gonna hold it, and I'm gonna trade it on Monday on my pro account. I don't wanna be in the red. I think that's gonna give me a lot of stress and anxiety. So I think it's not worth it, right? So we'll take it slow. We'll trade the accounts that we really have to, and then you know, leave the rest for another day. You know what I mean? Like, what's the point? You guys are seeing Stock Tiger trade live. Real trades with real accounts, guys. Thank you for being here today. Thank you guys for hopping into my stream. Of course, you guys know I go live every night. Asia Globex at 6 p.m. Eastern time. But I also do go live during New York as well and do what we do our best. Try to trade, to bank every day during New York, you know? And that's what it's all about. Or let's see if we can actually break out of this 550, guys. Man, once and for all now. We've been struggling to get above this all day, so I don't know. This is gonna get very interesting, guys. Once we break out of this, I think we could see this thing golden and go all the way, create an all-time new high again. And then we could squeeze the power hour, guys. Power hour. Look, Apple still not pulling back. Gold is kind of getting a little bit of a bounce back. But that could be a little bit of a short that kept bounce, I would say. But what a huge monster pullback here in gold. And I've been calling out, saying that gold may be time for pullback, right? And bounce could be a shorting opportunity on gold. And that's what I've been calling out for the last few days. It kind of really worked out pretty nicely. Anyways, back to the VIX here. VIX pulling back as well. No signs of a bounce in VIX. And yeah, things are looking pretty good actually. SPY looking like it wants to break out. We are holding and holding. We are holding. You know, we are retesting the high constantly, right? I think maybe we get a last punch in the face a little bit later towards the power hour. Either we break it down, but I think if we get a rejection again and then pull back, maybe that pullback could, you know, could be a V-shaped bounce at the end. I don't know. We're gonna have to wait and see. And now everybody's gonna be like, wow, wow, wow. Apple getting a bounce off that low to 63 as well. Nvidia is still holding pretty nicely. The only thing that's really down is Tesla and Netflix, and that's because their earnings was crappy. Anyways, guys, we are holding a 550 here. I'm surprised that I'm not in a trade, by the way. I thought I was in a trade. Am I not?
Canceled.
Hold on, what am I doing? Oh, I'm a take profit trader. Oh, I got a little confused. And I've got my Apex to trade as well. Maybe I'm gonna have to do this.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna have to do something that I haven't done.
Order filled.
All right, this is my. Let's see, guys. I need to make some trades, and that's what I'm trying to do right now.
Order submitted.
All right.
Order canceled.
I just need $50, right? So
Order failed.
Order
Guys,
filled.
there we go. Order filled. 30 to 50, $60. 50 or $60, I don't know. We'll move to something else. It looks like we're trying to break out, which oh, I'm already in a trade here. Hold on one second, guys. Let me just take some profits off the table.
Order failed.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
submitted.
All right, guys, am I in trade? Not yet. All right, so that's it for me.
Order failed.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
No, guys, I'm back in the green, so maybe I'll just we'll be done on this account. You know, just to count it as a day, right? So that's really all I need for now. In this sort of a market environment, like trying to make a home run trade or trying to make some good profits just to kind of look cool, I think it's not fun. You may end up losing account by doing that, right? So I'm just gonna, the market's not gonna give it to me, and I see that, so I'm gonna have to just be glad to see myself back in the green, right? And just be okay with that for now.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna exit this trade here pretty
Order
soon
filled.
on a little pop and move my attention to something else. I think the goal right now is to count it as a day on this take profit trader eval account, right? Because I'm just building more backups. They've taken 4 accounts away from here because it's all passed, so it's not here on my dashboard here on this Trativate, so it's no longer here. But I still have other backups that I can kind of play, which is great. So we start with 5 funded accounts on Take Profit Trader on Sunday or Monday morning, which is fantastic. That's really all I'm looking for. And now let's see if we get a little bounce. Yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of backups on my Take Profit Trader, which is great. Start to November, I'm gonna have a chance to be a lot more aggressive, right? That's the whole point. And look for a much bigger payout. Yeah, I still haven't given up on my target for the month of October. I'm still targeting 30K. 30K again? 30K. Still targeting 30K. I'm getting pretty close to what again? I had 16,000, and then I had 890 from funding ticks, and I took $1,800 from Take Profit Trader. So that's $19,000. So I just need $11,000 more, which I think it's doable with Apex alone. I think $9,000 from Apex alone could be doable at the end of the month. Well, not at the end of the month, in the next 4 days. And who knows? I may get another daily payout on Sunday or Monday morning through Take Profit Trader. I'll definitely have a chance to do that. I'll look forward to that too. But for now, we are pulling back here. I'm down again. Let me just see if I'm trading Apex account or not, right? Okay, I'm not trading Apex account. Oh yeah. They have not taken my money out from my account just yet on funding ticks. My God, man. Trying to refresh myself, trying to see if they've actually taken the money out, which I don't think it is. Yeah, no, they have not taken it out. No. So it's not taken out. Okay, which is fine. Not the end of the world. All right, guys, we get a little pullback here, which is ooh, not good. We got a rejection of that. So I've got +6. What's up? Tiger made it the AM session for once. Oh, Kirk, man. Hey, you been watching me right now or no? Kirk, or you just got in right now?
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
You guys are gonna see me go live in New York every time I can. I don't hesitate to go live in New York. It's like it's the biggest and the largest, and if I'm able to be able to trade in front of my fellow traders in New York, that's really all I can ask for, right? I love trading New York. I love trading in front of my fellow traders. You guys know New York is the time when you bank, right? That's the biggest session, guys. Asia market, Asia session trade is just, you know, for an entertainment purpose, if you will, really, to be honest. But New York is really the time when you gotta kind of really try to prove yourself, prove your worth. And I love trading New York in front of my fellow traders as well. So if I'm in front of my computer, then I will do that all the time. It's just that you know, I've got a lot of other stuff going on. You guys know I'm a part-time trader. Well, part-time trading in a way. Like, obviously I have my phone, I trade all the time. I trade 24/7. Oh, excluding Saturday. Oh well. And surprise in Asia. Gold moving, Asia market, guys. And gold moving right now? Really? No, gold is pulling back, man. Gold is not... I don't know. Gold is not really doing anything. It's definitely very obvious, right? Well, the NQ is high or low. NQ, gold is low or high, right? But who knows what the gold is good. Gold is a different animal. It's gonna do what it wants to do, so... You only ever make it to Asia. Oh, really? You only make it to Asia? What does that mean, Kirk? This is how you do it. Alright, I gotta sit down, man. My legs are hurting. I'm getting old. I'm only 17. Oh well. It is what it is. Alright, there we go. Oh.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Ooh, look at that bounce, guys. That's a nice looking bounce that we got right now. I think we are heading higher,
Order
guys.
filled.
Come on, don't break it down now. Jeez. Lower high, down here. Let's see. I don't know where he. Oh my god, we just broke underneath a very important level, guys. We could flush it down. Gotta be careful here. I've got 10 micro. Maybe it's in that bottoming process to give us a little nice bounce back up again. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if we do that. Yeah, I like to get some kind of a bounce here, guys. Man, what the hell? Hey guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you so much, everybody. Do not forget to smack the like, guys. Thank you so mucho. All right, nothing really there right now. It's kind of choppy. We're trying to get a little bounce. You know, I kind of feel like we still go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Guys, I've added to my contract here.
Submitted.
And now I'm going to be looking for a bounce back up again into the 550 retest.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys, let's see. Let's see if we get a breakout now.
Order
filled.
I've got a whole bunch of orders already placed. Back in green again. I've got 18 micros here.
Filled.
And we are getting a bounce back into the 550s.
Order
Let's see if we can actually continue moving here to the upside. The VWAP bounce right now. Are we gonna hold? Again, are we gonna pull back here? What a nasty looking chart, guys, man. Holy man, we just can't get above this 550. I think once we do that though, it's gonna look golden. But for now, it looks pretty nasty. Oh my god. Insanity. I kind of like it to the upside. I'm going to add some more. I'm with 20 micros again. And I'm going to place my limit orders here along the way. So as we get a bounce back up again, then it's going to trigger my limit orders. Let's see, guys. Let's see what this market, if it's got what it takes to give us a bounce. Oh dear. We are still underneath, we just broke underneath the VWAP and broke underneath the EMAs though, but we held nicely on that 542, so I kind of feel like, you know, we get a bounce. Let's see if we do right now. This is the chance to do it. Prove its worth. I just need one big move here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
All right,
filled.
guys. That's a nice little
Order
bounce.
filled.
Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Oh
Order
yeah,
filled.
baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. All right.
Order
Order
filled.
I
filled.
like that. I like that, guys. Nice little move. Let's see if we can actually continue now. 540. Oh, sorry, 555 is where we're kind of struggling to get out of. I think we are eventually going to break out. Everything is looking pretty good. Apple looking good. We'll see. We've got another hour and a half for this market to close, and oh yeah, we're getting a bounce. Oh, hold it, mister. Hold it, mister. Hold it. All right. All right, guys, look at that. We got a rejection again at 550. Mamma mia. This rejection never ends. The slogan for Friday is going to be 550 rejection. We got to bounce off that 545 though. Maybe I'll try to add. I don't know. Maybe I should add some more.
Order
Order
All right, guys,
filled.
I added some more.
Order
And I'm going to place
submitted.
my limit order now.
Order submitted. Order.
All right, guys.
Order
Wow, look
filled.
at that, guys. What a mochaccino. Look at that.
Order
All right,
filled.
guys.
Order
Oh,
filled.
oh my God. What was that? Oh, did you guys see that? Whoa. All right, guys. Not bad.
Order.
Order
I'll take
filled.
it. I'm going to walk away. I'm going to close this trade now.
Order.
Order
All right, there you
filled.
go. I shut it down. You know, back to $200. And what else? What else I can trade? I don't need. Ah, man. Yeah, that's it for this. I've traded all my funding ticks accounts. So really nothing else to trade there. Apex. Yeah, I've got to trade Apex one. I'm just a little nervous to trade Apex. I don't know why. I've got a little bit of a trauma last night. Not last night. Yesterday in the morning. Sorry, in the afternoon during the power hour. I needed $50. I ended up losing $1,500, right? After keep adding, and then it's like, wow, you got a nice, beautiful squeeze towards the end, and Stock Tiger was capito, right? Alfred in the house, Captain Price. Alfred, how's it going, man? How's your trades going? Are you trading anything right now? Captain Price, man. All right, guys. I'm gonna have to take it off now. That was definitely a lot of fun here today. It was a lot of fun. Yeah, 1 second. All right, guys, I've got to go. Take care, everybody. Have a great rest of the day. And of course, have a great weekend, all of you. I thank you once again for being here during New York. We've had consistently over 150 viewers. And I thank you guys. I cannot find a way to thank you anymore for being here. I had a pretty okay day, I think. It was nothing really too crazy. I mean, even though this... we try to find a way to trade and scale in a market environment where it's not giving you that sort of an opportunity to trade, right? But even then, we traded. We found a way to trade, and we got the profits that we need. And I still have some more accounts I've got to trade. I don't know. I may just walk away. We'll find out. We still have another 1.5 hours to go. I'm gonna have to think about it, but I do not want to. Especially on this Apex accounts, I do not want to play the game. So I'm going to have to be a little careful. We'll see. But I traded a whole bunch of accounts today, so that's good. Even though the market was really choppy and difficult. Anyways, guys, thank you so much, all of you. Have a great weekend, guys. Thank you. God bless. Take care. And peace. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, before you hop out. Take care, guys. Have a great weekend. All of you, forget about trading now. Enjoy the weekend. Bye-bye.